TK Classics is a new independently run restoration shop in the heart of the Midlands. It's been set up by two local lads, Carl Brown and Todd Marshall. But what made them want to work together?
Me and Carl know each other through work initially, met working at the same place. Obviously friendship developed outside of work, same interests, same ideas with cars, what we liked, maybe what we didn't like. Just kind of clicked, and always thought there's a natural progression to want to do something.
We both wanted to work for ourselves, but in the same sense we wanted to create a place for someone with a classic car to go to have something affordable, reliable service and done well.
With years of experience in the industry behind them, TK Classics can offer a wide variety of services.
We can do everything really, from a basic service or inspection of your car, give you a bit of an appraisal of where you're at and where you want to be. From that all the way up to a full project managed restoration, where we can just take that car and execute your vision basically. Welding, engine work, mechanical, just get it from where it is to be the best car it can be.
I'd like to think that we touch on all bases around the classic car scene. We can offer things that a lot of people can't, where people pigeonhole into certain criterias.
Having loved cars all of their lives, they have a genuine passion and excitement that speaks for itself.
We get excited about the cars as much as the customers do. I think it shows. Someone comes in and we're instantly excited, want to talk about the car, what is it, where's it from, what's the history, and we just work on them as if we'd picked up as a project and wanted to make it our own. You know, I think that's what sets us apart, the genuine interest.
We look at a classic car, or you say a car that's old and vintage and got beautiful style and beautiful features about it. We enjoy that. A lot of people look at certain Fords and stuff like that and are fanatic about Fords. I think the passion for one thing, I think, kind of doesn't really touch what we like.
Expert knowledge and experience allows them to tackle awkward projects in a suitable fashion.
You always uncover something. There's not a car that I've ever worked on that that needs doing, okay, then remove that, and then there's a sequence of events that happened afterwards, you know, that you fix something and obviously then that enhances the other issue that's there, and then you're constantly chasing your tail essentially, but it's knowing when to stop. Everything has got its challenges. I don't think we've come across a classic car that I can remember that hasn't got some secrets, some hidden past somewhere that maybe the owner didn't know about, or these cars have been around a long time, had a lot of different people work on them.
After all, challenges are just part of the joy in what is ultimately an incredibly rewarding job.
I think there's a great satisfaction in working on classic cars, especially you look at, you're repairing something and you've seen it and it's repaired, it's gone away, and you know full well that that's going to last that customer a long time.
Taking something that's obviously past its best, make it look brand new and as factory as possible. I get a lot of satisfaction out of that. And seeing a car go out the door at the end and people's reaction when they see their car, it's satisfying.
So, what project has been a highlight and what would they love the chance to work on?
We've got a project currently that we're doing for someone. It's very custom, shall we say. It's actually the Beetle behind us. Customers got a lot of great weird and wonderful ideas, very open to our suggestions, so it's been a lot of fun kind of freestyle designing this car as he wants it. It's great making a car as factory as possible. There's something to be said for that, definitely, and it's very satisfying, but when you kind of give him free rein, that's a lot of fun.
I would like to see a few cars in particular, and I'm talking probably a Model 1 Mexico, a 23 window Samba, maybe an old Impala or something, you know, across the board. There's nothing genuinely specific, just something that you don't see every day.
And whilst it's easy to have plans of grandeur, they're keen to grow organically and stay true to themselves.
And I think that's key. Keep moving it forward, reinvest, and have fun with it. Stay true to the original, the ideas.
To keep people coming back and people happy and enjoying what we do.